In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach and send a folder through Yahoo Mail. First, open Yahoo Mail and start a new message by selecting Compose. This brings up a fresh email draft. Take a quick look along the bottom of the message window and find the Attach Files icon. It looks like a small paperclip. That's where you'll add your file in a moment. It's helpful to get familiar with where this icon is so you don't have to hunt for it later. Now, here's the key point. Email services don't let you attach an entire folder as is. To include all the files inside a folder in one go, you'll need to turn that folder into a single compressed file, also known as a zip. On most computers, this is built in. On Windows, right-click the folder and choose Send to, then Compressed, Zipped, Folder. On a Mac, right-click or Control-click the folder and choose Compress. Your device will create a new zip file in the same location. If you want to make things clearer for your recipient, feel free to rename the zip to something descriptive before attaching it. This keeps everything tidy and easier to identify in their inbox. Once your zip file is ready, go back to your Yahoo Mail draft and click the paperclip icon. Browse to the location of the zip file you just created and select it. Yahoo Mail will begin uploading the file. You'll see the file name appear in the message area as it attaches. Wait for the upload to finish before moving on. If the file is large, give it a moment. Upload time depends on your connection speed and file size. When the attachment is complete, you'll see it listed right in your message, confirming it's part of the email. At this point, you can add a short note telling the recipient that the folder is included as a zip file so they know to unzip it on their end. Most devices can open zip files by double-clicking or tapping them, so they shouldn't need extra software. A quick tip on size. Yahoo Mail typically allows attachments up to around 25 megabytes. Compressing helps, but it won't always bring very large folders under that limit. If your zip is still too big, consider splitting the contents into smaller zip files or using a cloud link instead. That way everything arrives smoothly. And that's it. You've composed your message, zipped your folder, and attached the zip file so it's ready to send just like any other email.